Hey folks, wanted to give you a quick sneak preview at our updated site analytics functionality that we're working on. You'll see this in platform in late June, but this is our site live table, just like the search live table. This is a big pivot table basically done for you with a lot more information. So you'll also be able to sort and filter on any of these columns. And the idea here is you'll be able to see all of your website traffic based on who's referring it to you. So by default, you'll see that your referral sources by individual domain. Depending on what you're doing, you may want to switch that to the overall channel if you just want to see the difference between paid search traffic versus organic search traffic, for example. You could look at the original referrer, right? Not everybody coming to your website, is it their first time looking at this site or this community? You may want to look at it from the lens of the original referrer, the original source of the traffic. Or individual UTMs, et cetera, for more advanced situations. And when I say site, I'm not talking about your entire website. This is not for builderx.com. Remember, when Audience Town says site, we mean the individual community. So the portion of your website that is dedicated to, say, Silver Lakes, right, or Glen Oaks community. So we're looking at what's driving traffic to individual communities, not your entire domain like a traditional Google Analytics type tool. Now, by focusing down on individual referral sources and where your traffic is coming from, you can see a couple of things. So number one, you can certainly see all of the consumer attributes that you're used to seeing from Audience Town. So we look at all the traffic coming from those refers or original refers and their household income, credit scores, age, gender, et cetera. So you can really kind of understand which of these referral sources is actually driving the type of consumer profile that you're focused on, that you're really going to win with, versus folks that, for example, can't afford your house or maybe have already recently moved, recently purchased something and are really not in market anymore. You can also see which of those referrers are actually sending you new visitors. You might see higher bounce rates coming from certain sites, or maybe a lot of sites, like we see this with Google a lot of Google paid search is sending returning visitors, folks that have already interacted with your individual community before. And last but not least, if you have chosen to connect your CRM to the Audience Town platform, you will actually be able to see total tours and sales. And again, these are not digital tours. These are not virtual tours on the website. These are real world, boots on ground folks walking into your model homes, taking a real tour or ink on paper for real world sales. You'll be able to actually attribute those real world tours and sales back to the original referral sources that actually introduced those consumers to your brand. So this is an early sneak peek. Again, we'll see this in platform later in June. Wanted to get you guys something you can look at. So hope you enjoyed. Talk soon. Bye.